Hi guys, how are you doing today?
Today we are gonna unbox this GoPro remote. I have purchased this from IMASTUDENT, so we'll go ahead and unbox this. I got it within one day. It is one day delivery. So this is the package, and I trust IMASTUDENT because I have experience. Like I have purchased maybe one or two products from IMASTUDENTs. Definitely, it's worth buying. Whenever you want to purchase something, before checking it on Amazon, check it in IMASTUDENT. That is what I would say. So this is the package. They do some gear rentals. I am a student. So this is the invoice copy. The actual price is somewhere around 7,190. In Amazon, it was around 8,400 or something. I got it for 6,791. In case you pay through UPI or IMPS, NEFT or something like that, then you will get this discount. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this quickly. This is the GoPro package. This is the remote. Control your GoPro. It's waterproof up to 16 feet, 5 meters, rechargeable. Okay, this is the package. It's a usual GoPro package. It's good packing, and I don't see it is tampered. It is iPhone GoPro 10 compatible. Let us see. You get a very big book and then the remote itself. Hey, this remote looks bulky, rugged. Wow, it looks so cool. So this is the remote. So first let me see how it works, okay? Powering on, okay? 61% charge. I'll say pair new. Connections, connect device, the remote. Connection successful. Okay, now you press this button on top and click on pair new. Same like that. Connections, connect device, the remote. So connection successful. This is what this remote will do. So now what we will do, we will change the orientation. So this is what it is. We'll change the orientation. Okay. Now exit, and now press the I don't know how to do. Okay, now we will go to multicam. Two cameras connected. When I click on record, okay, it's getting recorded in this one as well as this one. Okay, when I click on stop recording, this is in max lens mode. This is with the max video, max lens mode, and that is with the standard lens. Okay, so this is the difference. So if I want to turn off the camera, both the camera, I need to press the mode button. When I keep pressing and holding the mode button, will turn off the camera. Okay, and if I want to power off the remote, I'll keep pressing the power off button on top. RC powered off. Okay, so this is how it is. We will see more about this remote once I have it charged. I will charge it for some time and then I will let you know how it works. Okay. So we have a different problem now with this GoPro remote. I'll tell you what. The remote is actually, sometimes it is pairing and sometimes it is not pairing. And this is not the purpose of this remote. This remote is supposed to turn on the camera. When it is in multicam mode, it is supposed to turn on two cameras. But what happens is sometimes it connects to either A or B. If there is two cameras, sometimes connects to A camera or B camera, or it turns on A camera or B camera, or sometimes it doesn't turn on, recognize any camera at all. So then what we have to do is we have to turn off the remote and then turn on the cameras and then again turn on the remote. After turning on the camera, it automatically connects to both the cameras. That is not a problem. The syncing is not a problem, but sometimes it is not getting connected. Initially when the camera is off, that is the problem. So I'll show it to you guys, okay? So then you will know what the problem is. So actually now we have two cameras, okay? These are the two cameras, which you know that we have already paired, okay? These are the two cameras which is already paired, and this is the remote which we are going to talk about. So this is the remote, okay? So I'm going to turn on the remote. I'm turning on the remote. Once the light is flashing, then it means that take the hands off. Remote will search for the camera and it should connect by itself. Now none of the cameras are detected. None of the cameras are detected, okay? So now what I have to do is I'm giving enough time, but still it is nothing happens. So what I'll do is I'll turn on the camera. I'll turn on this camera as well, okay? Still nothing happens. I'll turn on this camera as well. So now two cameras are connected. Okay, nothing happens. Now I'll exit. Click on connect to, nothing happens, okay? So now what I'll do, I'll turn off this remote. Okay, now turn on the remote again. Version 1.2, it's all updated. And now it is searching. And now I see that two cameras are already connected, okay? You see that Gemini Hero 9 and then the other cameras, and then the top option is multicam. If you want to if you want to control either one camera, then you can scroll down with this button. With this button you will be able to scroll down, and with this button you will be able to scroll up, and let's select multicam, okay? Now it is getting connected to both the cameras on a sequential basis. Either first this one or that one, okay? This one or that one, okay? One camera is connected. Okay, now you see that two cameras are connected, right? So this is the problem which happens. I updated the version of this remote, but still the problem is same, okay? So now if I click on a record button, it will record. Since there are no SD cards, I have not put any SD cards, but it will record, not a problem. So then if you want to change the mode, like if you want to change it to like if you want to change it to photo camera mode, if you want to change this to, oh my god, even that's not working. Okay, it's not changing the mode as well. Okay, these are the problems, like it is not consistent, it does not do what it is supposed to do. So this is really a worthless product, and I received it from IMA student, and I have requested for a replacement or a refund from IMA student. Okay, let's turn off this camera. Okay, when I keep on pressing this button, pressing and holding this button will turn off this camera. And if I want to turn off this remote, I will have to press this button to turn off the remote. Okay, now the remote and the camera is completely turned off. So if I turn it on again, okay, if I turn it on again, you see what happens.
Please note, none of this is consistent, and sometimes it connects, sometimes it doesn't connect. So even now, right now, what you see in the screen, it is getting connected, but it does not always get connected. That is what I wanted to say.
Multicam. Okay, now you see that the two cameras are detected. Okay, let's press this multicam and try to turn on both the cameras. So one camera turned on, and then two camera turned on, and then the two cameras will get connected. Sometimes it get connected, sometimes it does not get connected in this way. Okay, so then again we'll have to turn off the camera, this camera and this camera, and then remote, and then turn on this camera, and then turn on that camera by manually pressing this button, and then we have to turn on this remote. Okay, and then it'll get paired automatically. So this is not what we expected. So this remote is completely worthless, and you still see that it is getting connected. Okay, it is not yet connected. It takes a long time, and it is really a worthless product. By mistakenly I have spent this money. So don't ever spend money on this remote. It's totally worthless, and it's up to you now. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was informative and helpful. If you wish to appreciate, please like, subscribe and share this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.